I am going to show you how to make bacon wrapped shrimp with pepper jack cheese. This is a delicious and very easy recipe that you can prepare within a few minutes. Great for a snack or a quick appetizer. Welcome to home cooking. It is easy. Everyone can cook. Let's get started. Shrimp, peeled, deveined and butterflied. Finely chopped parsley. Place garlic powder on shrimp butterflied. Add ground black pepper. Add shredded pepper jack cheese. Add finely chopped parsley. Fold the shrimp back together and wrap it in a piece of bacon. Secure the shrimp and bacon with a toothpick. Place the wrapped shrimp on the grill and cook, turning as needed, until the shrimp are cooked and the bacon is browned, 6 to 8 minutes. Remove from the grill and serve hot. What would you like to see in the next video? Leave a comment below. New videos uploaded weekly, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button.